So this is one of the 7 income streams that I spoke about in this video, and as you can see in the screenshot right here, in the last 12 months I've made $73,000 from affiliate marketing alone. So let's talk about how this happened and how you can do it too. I wanted to thank Hostinger for partnering with me on today's video. So first I want to cover what affiliate marketing is. So affiliate marketing is a program that most softwares or companies or even Amazon does it. They use it to incentivize people to speak and refer other customers to their products or to their services. So essentially, if you were part of the affiliate program for Amazon, for example, and you were to refer somebody to purchase a product from Amazon through your link or through your discount code, then you are going to get a commission. So before starting your affiliate marketing career, you first need to acknowledge and realize what your niche is and what you're most interested in. Because in order for you to get customers to sign up for whatever software or service or product it is that you are promoting, you need to actually speak about it and you need to create content around it. For me, that was Amazon FBA and personal finance, so that's what I started creating content around. Now, once you've decided on your niche, now it's time to see if your resources have affiliate programs. So first, I recommend you make a list of products, software, services that you love and that you use and that you can swear by so that you can recommend it to your followers or to your viewers. You can even include Chrome extensions as well that you use. And keep in mind, this list will continue to grow as you start speaking more and more about your niche. So now let's go through how to find an affiliate program for your product or for the service or resource that's in your resource lists. So you can see over here, I've already started to do this search, but what I like to do is I like to put in between these speech marks the brand name. So in this case, it's Helium 10, which is a Chrome extension that I use for my Amazon FBA business. And then I put the plus sign and then affiliate also in the speech marks. And this causes Google to only show me search options that have Helium 10 as the full word, because sometimes it'll come up as just helium or just 10. And then also with affiliate added to it as the full word. And as you can see, I mean, the first one that comes up is their affiliate program website right here. So it's pretty easy, usually comes up as the first search result if they do have a specific landing page for their affiliate program. Now, when it comes to Amazon products, you will need to sign up for something called an Amazon Associates account. And you do this per Amazon Marketplace. So whether it's Amazon.com or Amazon.ca, you're going to sign up for an associate account that has to do with that specific marketplace. And this is very easy to do, and you're able to earn anywhere from 4% to 20% commission every time somebody makes a purchase through your link. So now, before we go ahead with this, let's first create your affiliate website. And in my opinion, Hostinger is the simplest platform to get started with. Because keep in mind, it's an all-in-one solution. You buy hosting, you get a free domain, and you also get access to WordPress all in one. And you also have 24/7 customer support, which is amazing, and you will definitely need it when you're first starting out. So keep in mind, we'll be building your website on WordPress, but Hostinger is going to be hosting the website. So now let's go through together how to create a website through Hostinger. So once you click on my Hostinger link, you're going to come to this page right here. And I wanted to thank Hostinger for partnering with me on today's video because this discount is insane. Again, you guys see the revenue that I was able to make from affiliate marketing just this year alone. So since this is the startup cost, I'm going to go through what the cost is right now. It's nothing. The return on investment is insane. So, and this is essentially your only cost other than actually creating the content. Once you go on the page, you're going to see you have options to choose from. So I recommend that you go for the premium web hosting option right here. This is their best option for affiliate marketing because you are able to get the free domain, which is amazing, and you get free SSL. You get the website builder. All right, so once you choose add to cart, you're then going to come to this page right here. And you can see you have options from 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, and 48 months. The longer you sign up for, the more you save. And to be honest, it's a huge amount that you're saving. So I do recommend that if you can go for the 48 months, go for it. If not, then try to go for the 24 months. If you can do the 48 months, definitely go for it. It's an amazing deal. And after everything, it's gonna come up to 133, and then you have your web hosting all set up and free to go for 48 months. Hostinger has also given me an additional 10% off discount code for you guys. So thank you so much, Hostinger. This is very generous. So the discount code is just my name. As you can see, I entered it here, and you get an additional 10% off. So this is the Hostinger dashboard. It's very user friendly. So we're actually going to go through this together. And the first thing that I'm going to do is claim a domain. And this is amazing because you get the free domain with your package. So you're going to enter a domain name, and I always like to go for .com. So I am actually going to go for the domain Own the Trend Home, and as you can see, it's free for the first year, which is awesome. All right, and then you're just going to go through the setup process. All right, so now that we have our domain all set up, we're going to start creating the website. So you're going to see here, once you go on your home page, it's going to say premium web hosting. So we still need to set this up. So we're going to click on setup right here, and then we're going to click start now so we can go through the motions together. All right, so it's going to say, who are you creating this website for? Are you creating it for yourself or someone else? So I'm creating it for myself, and I'm building it myself. So it's asking who is creating this website and which type of website do you want to build. So it's going to ask you, do you want an online store, a blog, a business? So I'm actually going to skip because I want to create everything myself. So it says here, do you want to create or migrate a website? So I'm going to create a new website, and it's asking you to select a platform. So as I said, WordPress is what I personally built my website on, and I think it's the easiest. So we're actually going to go for WordPress. All right, and then you want to log in. All right, and now it's asking me to add plugins. So I'm actually just going to skip, and I will manage plugins later. And then now it's asking me to choose a theme. So we are actually just going to skip this for now. Choose a domain. So we're going to select the Own the Trend Home domain. And that's it. All right, so it's just setting up right now. So don't forget, guys, the link to sign up for Hostinger is in my description box. And thank you so much, Hostinger, for partnering with me on today's video. So once you log into your WordPress dashboard right here, you're going to click on Appearance, and then you're going to click on Themes. And it's going to show you the themes that you have as options, and we're just going to click on add a new theme so that we can actually browse all of the different theme templates that they have. And then I want you to choose what you think is going to be best for you. Especially when it comes to affiliate marketing, you don't want too much going on your website. You want it to be pretty basic for somebody to scroll through and find the resource that they are looking for. So I really like this one right here. It's pretty simple. Let's preview it to see what it looks like. So I like this column section right here. You're definitely going to want this because you are going to want to put the logo of each resource or of each product, like the image, the product picture, so that people know what they are clicking on. So I love this theme. Let's actually install it. All right. So it's installed and good to go. We're going to click activate. Now that the new theme is activated, we're going to click on customize. This is going to be a pretty long tutorial if I show you how to fully customize this website, but it's very straightforward, to be honest. You can change the text right here, and then if you want to change the color, I can change that right here. So I can make it red, I can make it pink. So you can change different settings. I'm just playing around here. And then this is an image over here. Of course, you can go ahead and change this image by pressing replace. So this is basically it on customizing your website. I don't want to go too much in detail about creating your website because this is a whole other video, but it's pretty straightforward. Again, you shouldn't really complicate it. Now, the next option that you can do is you can actually, instead of getting a free theme from WordPress, if you do have the budget for it, or you can even do this later on, is you can go on creativemarket.com and you can actually browse themes on Creative Market for WordPress. As you can see, there are endless options for themes and they're actually not that expensive. And I like this because they're a lot more customized. They're very different and they have really cool branding. So all you do is purchase it and then you're just gonna upload the theme on the WordPress editor. Alright, now the last step is to start creating content around your niche and promoting your resources. So first, I recommend you pick a platform and you focus on it, whether that's Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. And you're going to only create content for that specific platform. So you're going to create the content for that platform first, and then you're going to repurpose and post on the two other platforms that you did not target. So whether you've chosen to do TikTok, you're going to first create towards the TikTok platform, and then you're just going to repost it on Instagram, and you can also post it on YouTube as YouTube Shorts. Now next, you'll need to brainstorm some content ideas. So take each resource on your list and write down 5 topics to do with those resources. And keep in mind to tailor these ideas towards the platform that you're targeting. So YouTube is going to be very different from TikTok, but your content regardless needs to have a hook. And this hook is to catch people's attention. So for Instagram and TikTok, your hook should be in the first 3 seconds of your video, or maybe even the first 2 or 1 second. And for YouTube, your hook needs to reflect in your thumbnail and in your title. And trust me, I use the same content creation strategy to grow my TikTok following from 0 to 800,000 followers. And this all happened in just a few months, keep in mind. Now, all you need to do is film and post, and make sure you're linking your website in the link in your bio, or if you're doing YouTube videos, then you want to link it in the description box, or you can also comment and you can pin that comment in your comment section for the YouTube video that you posted. So that's it, you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. I wanted to thank Hostinger for partnering with me on today's video. Don't forget the link to sign up to their platform is in the description box. And yes, this is an affiliate link, but this helps keep my channel free, as we are talking about in this exact video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.